Have you ever tried your best and still failed? Have you ever felt like life pushed you backward instead of forward? Let me tell you something powerful today. Setbacks are not signs that you are losing. They are signals that a comeback is being prepared. Some of the greatest success stories in history were born out of painful setbacks: rejection, failure, loss, disappointment. If you've ever felt stuck, broken, or delayed, this message is for you. Stay with me till the end because today you'll learn how to turn your setbacks into your greatest comeback. Section 1. What is a setback? A setback is when things don't go as planned, when progress feels reversed, when effort doesn't produce expected results. Examples: you failed an exam, a business collapsed, a relationship ended, you lost a job, you trusted the wrong people. Here's the truth many people don't tell you. Setbacks are part of success, not the opposite of it. The problem isn't the setback. The problem is how people respond to it. Section 2. Why setbacks feel so painful. Setbacks hurt because they attack your confidence. They question your ability. They shake your faith. They make you doubt your future. Most people ask, why me? What did I do wrong? Will I ever recover? But successful people ask a different question. What is this setback here to teach me? Because every setback carries a lesson, a warning, a redirection, a preparation. Section 3. Shift your mindset. The comeback starts here. You cannot turn setbacks into comebacks without changing your mindset. Here's how winners think. 1. They don't see failure, they see feedback. Failure is information. Failure shows what doesn't work. Failure refines strategy. Example: Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He said, "I did not fail. I just found 1,000 ways that won't work." 2. They refuse to quit mentally. Many people quit before they quit physically. They stop believing, they stop trying, they stop hoping. But comebacks begin in the mind before they appear in reality. Section 4. Real-life comeback examples. Example 1. Oprah Winfrey. Fired from her first TV job, told she wasn't fit for television. Today, one of the most influential women in the world. Her setback became her setup. Example 2. J.K. Rowling. Divorced, broke, rejected by 12 publishers, but she kept going. Today, author of one of the best-selling book series in history. Example 3. Biblical example. Joseph. Betrayed by his brothers, sold into slavery, imprisoned unfairly. But God used every setback to position him for leadership. What looked like delay was divine preparation. Section 5. 5 practical steps to turn setbacks into comebacks. 10 to 1330. Step 1. Accept what happened. Denial delays healing. Acceptance restores clarity. You can't change the past, but you can control your response. Step 2. Reflect, don't regret. Ask, what went wrong? What can I learn? What can I improve? Reflection builds wisdom. Regret builds pain. Step 3. Rebuild your confidence. Confidence is rebuilt by small wins, consistent effort, positive self-talk. Speak life over yourself. I am not finished. This is not the end. My comeback is loading. Step 4. Take action again. Fear says, don't try again. Faith says, try smarter. Adjust your strategy. Improve your skills. Start again. Progress beats perfection. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency turns pain into power. Show up even when it's hard. Keep moving even when it's slow. Comebacks are built daily, not overnight. Section 6. Remember this truth. Your setback did not cancel your destiny, did not reduce your value, did not disqualify your future. Sometimes life breaks you to remake you stronger. What almost destroyed you will soon introduce you. If this message inspired you, like this video to help more people rise again. Subscribe for weekly motivation and faith-based inspiration, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. And comment below, my setback will become my comeback. And remember, you didn't come this far to give up. Your comeback is closer than you think.